Hi guys! So welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going for a staycation with my roommate. What? Where we're going? We're going to stay in Hampton, seef. So see you there. Ciao. We are going by metro. So we're going to Borjuman metro station. Then from Borjuman we'll just walk. So finally, after a long walk, we're almost here. So this is the hotel. People can see us from there. Yeah. So look at that view. Going to the entrance. And let me show you. Hilton. No, Hampton by Hilton. Canopy by Hilton. So we're going to stay in Hampton by Hilton. We're here. 204. We got the twin bed. Size bed. I know.
Yeah, you can take your mask.
Here, 204.
The bathroom
With a full length mirror, and the other side where you can put all your luggages, yeah, and the flat iron, hangers, some amenities over there like coffee, tea, water, and the towels. And we have a small fridge with water, safe bags, and some drawers again. Yeah, later we're gonna ask for some slippers, I guess. So lunch bag, yeah, don't need that, but yeah. So this is the restroom. We're gonna open that. See. So this is the standard room, I guess. Yeah, the standard room. This is the shower. Oh, this is good. Wash your hands, mom. Then a mirror again there, then sink and WC, whatever, that, some necessary things. And what if they have some amenities there that you can use? It's the lotion, hand soap, conditioner, shampoo. So it's already perfect for us to stay for a night. And yeah, and this is my outfit of today. Anyway, whatever. But yeah, this is my outfit of the day. So this is her. Oh, we are having connecting room anyway. And what do you call this? The TV and working area, I guess. It's very small working area. Look at us. Look at us. So we have a sitting area, whatever there, and then another small sitting area. And this is the view outside. We're gonna see it tomorrow. And we have a twin size bed. So that is the old Persian telephone. And look at the view on top. Oh, a map. And a moment of Dubai is always a good idea. And another. This is mine. That's yours, huh? Welcome to Hampton, seef. So we're gonna stay here for a night. Then this is to celebrate life again. Thank you, people. Thank you for watching my room tour. Of course, we're going out now. So that's is where we're staying. That's Hampton, and this is the canopy where they are clustered. So yeah, this is really night view with my roomie. So we have like this moment here, water moment, which is nice. So we're going there.
Can we swim here?
We'll go there somewhere. Huh?
Let's swim.
There you go swim in there. A swimming pool. Okay, let's go. So this is super nice. Look at that. I'll see it. And that's the canopy. So this is the creek. We're going to show you in a very nice thing. And look at us. Together we enjoy. Oh my god, this is so fun. So cheap. So, oh my god. Look at that. The view outside. This is so beautiful. Beautiful. And they have sand here. Sand. Like, oh my god. Look at that nice view of creek. Super duper. And yeah. Of course, now we're going to our room back again. Oh, that is so nice. The elevator is so nice, right? So chic. And then where are we going, my god? We'll call it a night. Right. But yeah, this is us. This is to go straight to Fortuny. So, yeah. We go to park. So here's the parking. Let me just put this thing and we'll go for breakfast. I'm looking forward for the breakfast. That means Hilton breakfast. So we're going for breakfast. So Hampton breakfast is kind of close. So we're going to Canopy. Watch out. So this is the buffet. There. So then for a coffee, I need a coffee today. This is the buffet. So I will have my cup of cappuccino today. Yeah. Oh my god, I miss this machine. I remember. So for now, we're here. So we have a live
You have
cooking.
white? White one.
This is fruit. This is the situation on our table now. So we have this. Nice. If you didn't taste the mango, it's your problem.